Every morning our driver has to come here and use a blowtorch to warm up the car. We've just been given some farewell presents by the local workers, which includes a scarf for all the guys. Jake is getting a quick lesson on how to wear it as a headscarf.
Yes!
Dude,
see?
Absolute natural, look at that.
Nailed it.
Yeah, we've just received some scarf training lessons there. Look at that, huh?
Nailed it.
Look at it's got natural style there.
I haven't learned, yeah, this is just all natural.
We've just about made it to our helicopter right there. That's all of us behind us there. And hopefully we can get onto that thing. That's the next part of the journey, is a walk to the helicopter. Yeah, Jake's ready. Getting us some headphones, because we're gonna need it.
It makes a great headset. The back of the plane.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're picking up 6 packs from here.
Jake is looking sharp. There we go.
I have 4 emergency exits on board, 2 in front and 2 on the back side. To activate, you need to pull the handle and push out the window.
Hello.
You can probably get a shot of the cockpit if you want.
Anything exciting out there?
Just incredible scenery.
It's just an order.
This is where our Russian pilots are flying this battle boy. Hey, so we made it to our first landing point, where people have called it, hey buddy, where they called Mordor because of the incredible scenery.
Whoa!
And now we have to, where are we going?
Kabul, hey.
Kabul, next up. So our charming Russian pilots of the helicopter safely got us to where we need to be. So the question now is just, yeah, look, looks happy. Looks happy. Obviously I'm gonna have to change these names later. We're definitely not in Kabul. I think we're in Brussels. Yeah, Brussels. Isn't it looking sunny?
That looks.
So we've been at Kabul airport for most of the day now, I think so. Well, the flight was only 2 hours, 3 hours delayed. So we are finally on board Cam Air and going to